The MEMOVER, a fitness product. It's a unique exercise machine that combines aspects of a stepper and an elliptical trainer, but on wheels. The MEMOVER Fit is a low-impact exercise machine designed for a full-body workout. It simulates a skiing or running motion while engaging multiple muscle groups, including the legs, core, glutes, and upper body. The MEMOVER Fit may not be suitable for everyone. If you have any mobility limitations or injuries, it's wise to consult with a doctor or physical therapist before using it. Users report burning up to 50% more calories compared to other exercise methods and claim it can improve cardiovascular health, core strength, and balance. Low-impact design that's easy on the joints. Improved cardiovascular health. Enhanced core strength and balance. The SCHILLER bike is an inflatable pontoon bike to ride on water. The pedals power a small propeller and spinning it with the handlebars allowing to make turns. After taking all the components out of the package, it takes about 10 minutes. Subsequent assembly tests took less than 10 minutes to assemble the SCHILLER bike. You don't need to live by the lake to ride a SCHILLER bike. Any water body is alright to use it. When assembled with the pontoons on, this bike is 4M x 1.8M. Marine-grade alloys and stainless steel are used to make the frame, and the optimized propeller comes in 3 different pitch sizes. The bike features a 15-pitch propeller as standard. Pitch 14 provides less resistance, while pitch 16 makes much more resistance when pedaling. The revolutionary SCHILLER S1 outdrive provides riders an incredible range of steering and maneuverability. The outdrive will automatically retract up when beaching and can be stored in a retracted position or easily removed. The S1 features a black, textured urethane coating. The Kwiggle Folding Bik is a unique take on the folding bike concept. It has a very compact fold and a distinctive design that some riders find appealing. The Kwiggle uses small, solid rubber wheels that never go flat. However, these wheels may be ideal for rough terrain or high speeds. 3-speed gear. The Kwiggle offers 3 speeds to help you tackle hills or maintain momentum on flat ground. The Kwiggle folds down to a size that the company says is similar to carry-on luggage, making it easy to store or take with you on public transportation. Lightweight, weighing in at around 9 to 10 kilograms, the Kwiggle is easy to carry, even for long distances. The Kwiggle seat is adjustable and the riding position is more upright than a traditional bike, which some riders find comfortable. However, some reviewers also mention concerns about the bike's stability due to its unique design. The Kwiggle Folding Bik is a well-made and innovative product that may be a good option for riders who prioritize portability and ease of use. However, the higher price tag, small wheels, and unique design may be for everyone. The Terraglide trike is a new kind of electric vehicle that combines the features of a tricycle and a recumbent bike. It's designed for outdoor recreation and offers a unique and luxurious riding experience. The seat reclines to provide a comfortable and relaxing riding position. This can be especially beneficial for people with back problems or those who want a more leisurely ride. The 3-wheel design provides stability and makes it easier to balance compared to a traditional 2-wheeled bicycle. This can be appealing to new riders or those who are less confident on a bike. The Terraglide trike has an electric motor that assists with pedaling. This can make it easier to ride uphill or cover longer distances. The motor and battery are housed in the rear of the trike, contributing to a sleek design. The Terraglide trike also has a pedal generator that allows you to get some exercise while riding. The pedals convert your pedaling motion into electrical energy, which can be used to power the trike or recharge the battery. The Leaperkim Veteran Patton is a high-performance electric unicycle EUC designed for off-road adventures and powerful rides. Equipped with a powerful 3,000 watts motor, maximum power can reach 7,000 watts. The Veteran Patton delivers impressive acceleration and can handle steep inclines with ease. Speed: it boasts a top speed exceeding 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest electric unicycles on the market. Battery: the long-range 2220WH Samsung battery allows for rides up to 70 miles, 110 kilometers on a single charge, perfect for exploring long distances. The Leaperkim Veteran Patton is a beast of an electric unicycle, offering exceptional performance, durability, and range. However, its high price tag, weight, and power make it best suited for experienced riders with the budget and space to handle it. The off-road tires offer excellent grip and stability on various terrains. The Pumper Car Luxe is a three-wheeled electric vehicle designed for adults and teens that combines exercise, transportation, and fun. The Pumper Car Luxe folds into a compact package, making it easy to store and transport in a car trunk. Street legal: the design is approved for use on bike lanes and streets where bicycles are permitted. The Pumper Car Luxe can accommodate riders up to 500 pounds, 227 kilograms. The Luxe boasts a power assist motor that allows riders to reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour. This makes it a viable option for short commutes or cruising around town. The Car Luxe is an innovative product that caters to a niche market. It's a great option if you're looking for a fun way to exercise while commuting, or if you prioritize a unique and eye-catching mode of transportation. The unique selling point of the Pumper Car Luxe is its patented pump action system. This allows riders to get a vigorous upper and lower body workout while they travel. Honda Extended Reality Mobility, XR Mobility, is a new initiative by Honda that merges the real world with virtual reality experiences. It's designed to enhance the thrill and enjoyment of using personal mobility devices. Safety considerations for VR experiences while riding a personal mobility device need to be addressed. XR Mobility integrates virtual reality, VR, with the operation of a personal mobility device. This allows riders to experience virtual environments while physically riding a real-world device. Honda Extended Reality Mobility is an innovative concept that has the potential to revolutionize personal mobility. The current iteration of XR Mobility uses the Honda Uni-One, a hands-free, self-balancing personal mobility device. XR Mobility is a new concept, and its future applications are vast. It could be used for entertainment purposes, fitness training simulations, or even educational experiences. KAERI Robot Labs Hoverboard, also known as the Personal Off-the-Ground Mobility System, is a concept for a self-driving hoverboard designed for personal transportation. While it's an interesting design, it appears to still be under development. Developed by KAERI Robot Lab, possibly in collaboration with GIST, information varies on sources. Designed as a personal transportation device that uses air cushion technology to levitate off the ground. May have autonomous navigation capabilities, allowing for self-driving functionality. Safety regulations and certifications would need to be established before widespread use.